Hi everybody, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a purple exterior, with a black interior. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Look up here towards the front. Memory seats, driver seat and driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 72,045, a turnkey ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.